Welcome. In this video, I'm going to describe how to add a picture and then edit the picture. We're going to add a shape, we're going to add video, we're going to add an audio, and show you how you can modify those various items. Let's start with adding a picture. Sometimes adding a picture or a photo just gives a different meaning or a message to the slide instead of just having the slide have text. So I have my content holder over here, and one of my options is to click on pictures or online pictures. I currently have a picture on my stored on my hard drive. But if you didn't, you could always search one for online. So I'm just going to go ahead and insert the picture. It comes up to my picture that I want to insert. I select it and I click insert. Now, we can add what is called alt text to pictures. Adding this makes your presentation accessible to a wider audience, especially those that are blind. And alt text is just a brief description of the picture in which, if a blind person is using a screen reader, instead of looking at the picture and not being able to see it, they will see the alt text. So you need to just right click on the screen. Oh, and you know what? I'm sorry. There will be an alt text option here. I have an older version of PowerPoint, so that's why you don't see it here, but that is a new feature in PowerPoint to add a screen reader alt text. Let's go ahead and add a shape then. So we're going to come back here and I'm just going to go insert a shape. Also new with the new version of PowerPoint are to add 3D models. That you'll see an option there, but I'm just going to go ahead and add a new shape. Let me find want to do some type of banner here. And then you bring your drawing toolbar over and you draw the toolbar, and I'm just going to right click on here and edit the text and put the word smile on here. Okay, so we have two objects here. One is a drawing tool and one is a picture. Let's say you want to align those evenly. So if you select the one first of all, let's just say we want to resize the picture. So we have two options. You can use your sizing handle and get your mouse as a double-headed arrow and make it smaller or wider. Or you can actually use the picture tool format ribbon and actually make it a specific size. So I'm going to make it 3.5 inch height, and that will automatically adjust to the width. Now let's say I want to align both of these objects. So I have my one selected. If I hold my shift key and select the other one, I can now either use the drawing tools or the picture tools alignment tab. And if you click the alignment and say align to the right, it will align both of the objects on the right hand side, and moving the one to the one that has the furthest object on the right. In addition, instead of using the alignments, you can use grid lines, smart guides when you're aligning. Now in this presentation it's a little hard to see, but if I select my word art here, and now I'm just going to select get my four-headed arrow on the outside edge, I'm just going to click, hold, and drag. And when I drag, you can see that I get a little bit of grid line guidelines to drag it to the particular spot. Instead of using your smart guides, you can actually visually turn on your grid lines and ruler. So if I click my view tab ribbon and check ruler and grid lines, now you can see that I can select a particular object and actually use the actual grid lines themselves to line it up. Okay. I want to insert an audio, so I'm just going to come up here to slide 1. And I'm going to turn my ruler and grid lines off. I come up to the insert and I want to select the audio. And here you can actually, PowerPoint allows you to record an audio if you want to. I'm just going to insert an audio that I already have online. And it's the SPA Opener MP3. And now what you can do is with that, you can say, I want to play this in the background, and I want to make sure it's hidden during the show. If you don't have it hidden, it's going to appear. So that's how you can move it down to the off to the side if it bothers you where it is. But it will not display while running the show. And lastly, we can always insert a video. I'm sorry, yes, a video. That was an audio, excuse me. Now we can add a video. I'm just going to come here to slide 3. I'm going to come up here to insert a video. I have a video on my PC. And it's this little movie here. And I can just resize it off to the side. And then what you can do is you'll be able to play when you get to this slide. You'll be able to click and play that video. And that's good. That is just overall how to insert a picture, insert a shape, change the size of the shape, change the alignment, insert a video and audio file.